Okay. Ritanshi. Your full name is?
Ritanshi Khadunga.
Difficult name. Okay, please brief me about yourself.
Yeah, actually ma'am, my name is Ritanshi Khadunga. I completed my schooling from the World School in Delhi only. I completed my graduation in BCom Honors from Delhi University. I'm a fresher right now, seeking for a job. That's it.
Okay. Ritanshi, could you please tell me something about your family background?
Yeah, my father is in Punjab National Bank as BDE, Business Development Executive.
Okay.
My mother is a housewife and she side by side take tuitions also for school children. My sister is there is my younger sister and she is in school. She is doing schooling right now.
Okay, and where do you put up?
Ramesh Nagar.
Ramesh Nagar. You have done your BCom?
Yeah, BCom Honors.
BCom Honors. Okay. So, do you want to study further?
If I get time during my work, then why not? Sure.
Otherwise, no.
Otherwise, I don't think so. I need an experience right now.
Okay, after that you will think about your
Yeah.
family. How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
22 years old. Yeah. Okay. So, where do you put up? Ramesh Nagar.
Yeah.
Okay, with your family.
Yeah.
So, why do you want to do job?
Why I want to do job is just to become independent right now. Actually, I am independent from last 4 to 5 years. I am taking home tuitions.
Okay.
Yeah. So for international school students right now. So rather than that, because of to enter in corporate world and good MNCs, you need experience. So for that experience, I want to start my career right now because it's now or never.
Okay, what is your career goal then?
My career goal is actually in financial industries or banking. I told you about that. I'm more interested in financing. But that's okay if I go further. If you also say that you don't hire freshers for that, you need experienced person. So then there I am for.
Actually, right now we are hiring for the executive assistant, as I told you, for freshers. Basically, in our company, we don't hire the freshers. Very few hiring are there for the freshers. Otherwise, we require only experienced ones. So for the freshers, females, of course, we are having this. So maybe in future you may get in our company, if you will come, maybe you will get an opportunity in finance in future.
Yeah, that is possible. Yeah. If you are hiring me for this as a fresher, then after some time you will give me an opportunity to go further.
Yeah, we can have, right? Okay. Who's the motivator in your life?
My father.
Why is this so?
I think he is the best person I can ever have as a father also, and as a guider also. He always had a thinking that I should go for the things which will make my future good. He never told me that don't do this, don't do that. He always let me free, do whatever you want to do whatever kind of things you are comfortable with, like whatever it's clothing or it's in studies or anything else.
So you're self-independent, you take decision from...
I ask for my father, but I know if I want to convince him, he will surely get it.
Okay. So you said you're giving tuitions, home tuitions, you're taking home tuitions. So why don't you want to make your career in teaching line only?
Actually, I don't think there is lots of money in that. Because after schooling, you can only take per day 3 to 4 students. Because one or two you have to give children to teach them. And I don't think you can make much money in that. So that's why.
Which classes are you taking as tuition?
Actually, I had taken 11th standard, 10th standard, 12th standard. But now only I am taking 8th standard students, 4th, 5th and 6th and 11th.
11th, which is stream basically?
Commerce, yeah.
Commerce.
Business study, accounts.
So how much you are getting per month? Like
around 12 to 13,000.
12 to 13 you earn very...
Yeah, very good.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, do you know anything about the job profile?
No, I don't know.
You don't know anything?
No. It's assistant executive, right?
Yeah.
So assist करने executive.
Yeah. It means executive assistant to director. And anything you know about the company?
It's an animation, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
I would call it.
Okay, I would like to tell you in brief. Basically, the company is Nano 3D company. It's an animation company. We deal in architecture, animation, and walkthroughs. Generally, we provide visualization services to our clients and more of client basis real estate developers. Okay, basically, you can say that it's a developing company. We have 2 production houses within Delhi, more than 5 offices in Delhi. Our headquarters is Kakaduma. We have 3 offices within Bikaspur itself and more than 12 offices all over India. And very soon we are going to open up 2 new offices, one in Jaipur and one in Mumbai. And coming to the job profile, it's for executive assistant to director. In this, basically, you need to assist the director and you need to assist him in sales department especially. So what your job role will be, you need to coordinate with the clients, prospective clients for the meeting over the phone. You need to schedule the meetings and appointment of the director over the phone. You need to receive the calls of the clients. Apart from that, sometimes you need to go with the director for the meeting just to take the follow-ups of the client. And apart from that, see in here you need to do admin task as well. That will be a part of the job, data management of the clients, maintenance of files in the calls of the company, keeping the track of the exhibitions when the exhibitions are there. So, and you need to visit the exhibitions just to data collection, because whenever we collect the data through the exhibitions. So basically this will be your job profile. And for this we require very flexible, who can take the responsibilities, who can be multitask girl. So do you think that you will be comfortable for this and you will be suitable for this profile? You can handle it?
Yeah.
You can do it?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ritanshi, can you tell me as a fresher, how much salary are you expecting?
Around 20.
Around 20. As a fresher, do you think it's just you have done graduation?
Yeah, that I know that, but the graduation is not in BCom. I've done BCom honors. And it's mostly like a CA profile. You had done IPCC. It's just like that. And the thing is, I don't think the fresher tag is enough to judge your capabilities and the salary question.
That is fine here, but the thing is, the profile is good not for the finance. I don't think in finance for fresher also they will provide this much, because
How much you are providing?
actually, see, we providing according to the candidate. But what I am saying is it justified to ask for 20,000 being a fresher? That's what I'm asking. Because this is just for the executive assistant. You need to just assist the director, nothing more than that. So do you think for this post, any company, any corporate, MNC or corporate company will provide this much of amount that will be for freshers? Because we have already hired some executives, so that's why I'm asking. You just tell me the minimum amount which you will be comfortable with.
15,000.
15 will be the minimum.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, Ritanshi, will you be comfortable for the bond of the company?
How much time do you
See, 1.5 years of the bond, initially 6 months of your training period and 1 year of your job that you need to sign at the time of the joining.
Okay, fine.
Just the commitment with the company.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. In case you will be shortlisted, how soon can you join the company?
As soon as you want me to join the company,
Okay, immediately?
Yeah.
Okay. Ritanshi, it's your correct number? These are your correct
Yeah,
number?
991006327. That's my personal
That's
number.
fine. I think it's more enough for today. In case you will be shortlisted, I will give you a call on your same number and then you can come for the final round within this week.
Okay, thank you so much.
Nice speaking with you. Bye.
Thank you.